Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love ordering food online but want to make payments smarter, you're going to love today's video. I'm going to show you exactly how to use Cash App Afterpay on DoorDash so you can split payments into installments while still enjoying your favorite meals. Stick around till the end, you'll never stress about paying for takeout all at once again. First, open the DoorDash app and browse for the meal you want. For this tutorial, let's say we're ordering a build-your-own munchie meal from Jack in the Box, but you can choose anything you like. Once you've found it, tap Add to Order. After that, go to your cart by clicking View Cart, double-check your items, then hit Continue to proceed to the payment section. Now here's the important part. When you reach the payment screen, you'll see different payment options like credit or debit card, PayPal, or Cash App Pay. Choose Cash App Pay. If you already have Afterpay linked to your Cash App account, DoorDash will automatically apply Afterpay as your payment method. This means your total will be split into 4 interest-free payments, making it easier to manage your budget. No extra steps, no hassle. It just works. If you don't see Afterpay available, make sure you've enabled Afterpay in your Cash App settings first. Then come back and try again. And that's it. In just a few taps, you can order food on DoorDash, pay with Cash App, and take advantage of Afterpay's flexible payment plan. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions.